Welcome to our channel Husband's Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare chicken 65 in Hyderabadi style, which is spicy and crispy. Let's check out the ingredients. 500 grams boneless chicken, red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, coriander powder, corn flour, rice flour, curd, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, egg white of 2 eggs, garam masala powder. Firstly, for marination, in a bowl take 500 grams of chicken and add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. You can add them more or less as per your taste. 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 4 teaspoons of corn flour, 2 teaspoons of rice flour, 3 teaspoons of curd. Ginger garlic paste, egg white of 2 eggs, turmeric powder, and lastly lemon juice. Mix the marination properly so that all the pieces are coated well with the marination. Keep it aside for about 2 hours. In a pan, heat oil and add the chicken pieces one after the other. Deep fry the pieces on a low flame for about 15 minutes until they turn crispy and golden. Once they are properly fried, keep it aside in a bowl. Seasoning process of chicken 65. Ingredients: curry leaves, chopped ginger garlic, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, 3 slitted green chilies, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. In a pan, heat oil and add cumin seeds. Allow them to splutter. Add 3 slitted green chilies and fry it. Then add chopped ginger garlic and fry it. Then curry leaves. Allow them to splutter. Then add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Stir the seasoning. Then add the fried chicken 65 and mix it properly. Our chicken 65 is now ready, friends. Do enjoy it and try it. Let us know how it comes out for you. If you like our video, like it, subscribe it and share it with your loved ones. Thanks for watching.